Okay, what I want to do today is to continue with bonding, okay? And bonding or earthing. Earthing is the connection to the general mass of Earth considered to be 0 volts. Earthing forms part of the supply system. Bonding is the connection of extraneous and exposed conductive parts, ensuring they are all at an equal potential in the event of a fault. Earthing system, this is a TNS system. Now you'll notice here that we've got the earthing, the sheave, the metal sheathing around the incoming cable is the earth, okay, the main concentric earth, okay, and it's connected here and bonded to this here, okay. This is your TNCS system, okay. Your earth is connected, your neutral, incoming neutral is connected to your earth terminal as well. Okay, so the earth and the neutral terminals are connected together. Okay. The idea here is that if you have the effect of a short circuit, you get more current flowing, so the protective device should operate faster. That's the idea behind it. Earthing system, TT system, you can see that for this you need an earth rod, electrode rod, and this will normally apply to farming situations. Main earthing conductor typically 16 millimeter square, connects the earth terminal to the means of earthing, etc. Main equipotential bonding connects all incoming services to the main earthing terminal. This includes gas, water, structural steel, air conditioning, central heating, lighting, protection, etc. Okay. But remember, your central heating nowadays can be in plastic, so some of that might not be applicable in some cases. Make sure you are compliant with the IEE regulations at all times. Main equipotential bonding, gas should be bonded with 600 millimeters of consumer side. This should be before any branches in the pipework if applicable. Okay. Main equipotential bonding, typically 10 millimeters. Bonding clamps should be used to make the connection to earth, etc. Okay, standard of the clamps required, and thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.